We have our TV area over there. I love the sofa set. Very nice chandelier. Look at that. Very beautiful house. This is the dining area. It looks pretty nice. We have kitchen area, a small island. Very nice one. Small constructor, a lot of cabinets. We have this corridor. Leading you to the first bedroom. And the stairs going upstairs. Look at that. We also have this sitting area. Look at that. Let me take you to the first bedroom now. This is the first bedroom. We have a closet and a shower area. I love the lighting. Look at that shape. You have the second bedroom, as you can see, closet. Also the lighting is very nice. Well done. This is the master bedroom now. Look at that bed. It looks really nice. I love the lighting. Big window. Look at that. You have a closet and a shower area. The shower area. Look at that. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. See you on the next one.